Hey there, welcome along to this first look video about Kyzonsolutions. Now, Kyzonsolutions, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, is a suite of software. But at the moment, what I want to focus on is their video conferencing system that they have, which is on a special lifetime deal if you're in the Facebook groups. And if not, let me know and I'll get you a link. But you're right. Do we need another software for video conferencing? Because we have Teams, we have Zooms, etc. So that's the first kind of idea I think about. Um, I like the idea of a lifetime software, especially for video conferencing. But of course, some of us have been burnt in the past with the likes of sessions, etc., which I think promised too much, and they overpromised and underdelivered. Now, I've been talking to the founder, James, a really nice guy, and we've been talking about the software. We've been talking about what it actually does, etc., and what their ideas for the future are. So this is part of a suite of software that he has. The first one is the video conferencing element. Then there is like a Slack element. Then there's also uh, like a team files where you can actually have storage. Then there's also Flow. There's also Canva, which is like our Canvas, which is like a whiteboard, etc. But let's go in and have a look at this software here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share my screen, and you're going to see here that the screen is very simple. And this shows me the videos, or should I say the calls that I have set up. So I have different calls here. And if I want to join the meeting, I simply click on join. Now, I don't know what's going to happen here because the screen may go funny because I'm actually doing a video and then recording a video here. But I'll leave the camera off for a second. I go in, I'll turn on the mic, I'll allow, and I'll join the actual video. So what should happen next is that the system should start up. If I start to record here, it's going to record and it's going to transcribe what I'm saying after I've actually recorded. Now, I'm recording this on my MacBook Neo, so I'm not sure how the Neo is going to react to this because it could be processing a lot here. So this is your central space. When somebody logs in, you will see them here. And what I can actually do here is, and this is what I like, I can have notes here, and these are my own personal private notes that I can make during the actual video that I'm doing, the video conference. This is the chat. This shows the participants. It's just me. And then this shows the documents. Now, in the documents section, um, the conference will always have the same document. If I open up this document or create it for this meeting, it'll always be there. And if I just double click on this, I share this document, and then I have an actual, like a Word document here that I can actually work on jointly with people. Okay, so here I can just go down here and I can put in, for example, if it was the 11th of May, this is our session. So I am going in and I'm writing in this document. The other person will see it and the other person can write into the document as well. Now, the other thing that I can actually do is if I go back to documents, I can actually go into cloud files and I can connect to Google Drive. Now, I've had a couple of issues with Google Drive, and James has told me that they're looking at this because it's happening to some people that Google Drive, you have to connect and then disconnect. So if I just go here, I can disconnect Google Drive. I can connect Google Drive again. And when I do that, it's going to ask me just to log in again. And then once I do that, I can actually then access all of my Google Drive documents. So you can either use their own built-in, what they call Flow system here, or what you can do is you can go into Google Drive and you can actually find a different file here that you want to use. So that's really, really good. It's quite lightweight. It's quite simple to use, as you can see. I'm just running my MacBook. Yeah, my MacBook is it's doing okay with this. When I finish, I mean, I can do snapshots of the screen as well. And where the difference is with this software is that it allows you to work on Google Docs together, presentations together, etc., and it can be more collaborative. So let me just stop this, and I'm going to leave this, and I'm going to show you more of the dashboard. And it says, "Do you want to leave the meeting?" Now, here's the first thing that is quite interesting, and James explained it to me. But when I leave this meeting, it doesn't close the meeting for everybody else. So other people, even though I'm the host, can still remain in the meeting. And he said he wants it. They thought long and hard about this, and they wanted it so that if the meeting ends, other people can stay, like would happen in a normal meeting in the real world. So if I go back to my dashboard here, what else do well, I have my meetings, I have my notes. Okay, so I can go in, I can look at the notes that I have here. And when this comes up, it'll show me all the notes for the different meetings. Okay, and the meeting name, if I've given it a name, I'll actually see the notes here. I can see my recordings, I can see my snapshots, and I'm using up 42 gigs of 15 gigabytes. Now, if I go into recordings, this should be the recording that I've done. And if I double click on this, it's actually complete here at the moment, okay, which is great. So if I were to double click on this, it should come up and I can actually see the recording here. So if I just press play here and I just want to turn down the volume, if the volume comes up, because I really don't want to hear myself speaking, you will see here that it's actually coming up here. So here, if I open up here, you'll see the document, you'll see everything that I've written. Okay, this is our session. You'll see then that you'll see that the Google Docs. Well, I didn't open up a Google Docs, so you didn't see it on the screen. So that's the first part. If I go back here, what happens is it also does a transcript, and this I really, really like because I think the transcript is actually really good. So let's just see what it actually pulled up on the transcript. Now, it lays it out really nice. Okay. This meeting was a demonstration led by Richard Butler, showcasing video conferencing platforms, collaborative features, particularly its document sharing and integration capabilities. Okay. Discussion highlights, platform overview, personal notes, built-in document collaboration. I mean, for me, the AI part of it is amazing. Okay. And then it gives me the transcript here. So this is going to help me as a language coach. This is going to help me a lot. Um, this is the first initial overview of the actual system here. Now, let me just go back here. Um, Genuine concerns that I have. I mean, if you're part of the LTD community, the lifetime deal community, you know that we've all been burnt by other systems in the past. The notable one that everybody will talk about is sessions that promise so much. A lot of people put a lot of money into it, etc. And then it went bust. James has said, and I'm going to be having a conversation with him tomorrow, Monday. James has said to me that they have other revenue sources. Okay, they have other things here that they want to bring out, which are like their Echo and Canvas. And Echo, just to have a quick look at it, not something that maybe I would personally use, but it gives you like a Slack type of area where you can actually talk to people. I haven't actually used it, so I don't know too much about how it works. You then also have if I just click on the open apps, you have the booking, which isn't bad. I mean, it's a very simple booking page that you can create. So if I just click here, you will actually see the booking page comes up. It's calculating the available times because it's taking it off my calendar. And I can just go in here and I can fill in all the details. It comes with quite a lot of branding here, but that's okay for the price that we're getting at it. That's okay. I can have routing forms, which I haven't even touched yet. And then, of course, if I go back here, I have the canvas, which is the canvas is like a whiteboard that we can actually use. So let me just go here. And if I go to my files, I can create, let me go to team files. I can actually create these canvases and then I can actually share these canvases or we could work on a canvas together. So this is like uh, a shared whiteboard here. Okay, so pick a drawing tool. Okay, so we're going to do this. And then this is second quarter, etc. So it's nice and easy here to use. I can export the image, I can do a live collaboration, etc. So these are the additional areas that they say they're going to expand into. Now, the solution here is not, I mean, something that has just come out. This has been going on. The Kaizen has been going for at least a year already. And I have to say, if the responsiveness of James is anything to go by, this is a solid piece of software. I'm going to start to use it with some of my private clients this week. So I will have a follow-up video to see exactly how my uh, what my success has actually been. And I'll actually share the transcript with you as well, so you can see the transcript. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be updating this video as we go along. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. So great to meet you, James, and thank you very much to everybody who's helped me with